At 9:42 p.m., Alex's WooCommerce checkout broke. Carts were full. Orders stopped. Every minute without a fix meant lost ad spend and slipping trust. Alex called Virtina. We started an emergency triage within minutes. Our AI flagged the suspects. A payment plugin updated tonight, a custom checkout script looping, and a host rule throttling requests. We cloned the site, reproduced the bug, and traced the failing call without touching live customers. Roll back, patch the script, unblock the payment endpoint, then clear cache for a clean restart. Test orders cleared on every device. Errors dropped. Checkout time returned to normal. We left a feature flag, added synthetic checkouts, and set alerts so Alex would not face another silent stall. By morning, sales were back and support tickets were down. If a bug is costing you sales, call Virtina.